We are at Værøy. Oh, look at that. This is part of the Lofoten Islands here in northern Norway. And most people visit the more northern part of Lofoten. But we wanted to come here and see Værøy as well. Let me show you here on the map. We are in northern Norway. And you see this archipelago here? That's Lofoten. Known for super steep, spectacular mountains that plunge into the water. These island groups are less populated and more remote, so of course we want to go there. Also, look at this island. Wow. This summer, Vegard and I are searching for beautiful campsites and hiking areas in Norway. At Værøy there is midnight sun, which would have been right here if it wasn't raining. It is almost 12 o'clock at night right now. There are white beaches, and here behind me are these steep, tall, green, spectacular mountains, which actually aren't that hard to climb, so we'll try that tomorrow. To get to Værøy, we take a ferry from Bodø. The ferry first takes us to Røst, the southernmost archipelago of Lofoten, and then continues to Værøy. And do you know who likes to go for a swim in these waters? Whales! The captain said there is a whale on starboard side, so everyone jumped up from their seats. We think this was a humpback whale. Cool! We arrive Værøy. Let's check out the island. It's 11 p.m, the sun is still up, but it's a little dark because of the clouds. So this place is called Nordlandshagen, which is a perfect place to set up a tent here at Værøy because, well, first it is oriented to the north, so you can see the midnight sun, and secondly because there is a huge field of grass here. Many tent places here. Very important when setting up a tent is that it's flat because you don't want to be rolling down all the time. So this way we're gonna get a nice night of sleep. This is also the first night during our trip that is not super hot, so you won't be sweating in our sleeping bags tonight. So we're gonna go to sleep now. Can't wait to see more of Værøy tomorrow. About 10 hours later and a good night of sleep, we're going to hike some mountains. We are hiking to this place so we can get a view of the other side of the mountains. But where's the trail? We can't possibly walk straight up there, can we? Yep, there's the trail. We're gonna walk there. It seems impossible. But where there is a trail, there is a way. The first part goes through nice and pretty flowers. It is very steep, and we quickly gain some elevation. So, apparently a trail goes right there. It's only 600 meters, but as you can see, it is super steep. Can't believe this is possible. We're just gonna have to try. It looks like I'm going very slow, and I am. It is so steep. There's the airport of Værøy. Det er rett opp, jo. I didn't film the trickiest part because I had to concentrate and use both hands. We walked over rocks, some were loose, and if they start rolling, that could be really dangerous if there were people beneath us. Time to collect the reward, the view. What I said here, I guess the point is, it is windy. Værøy literally means weather island, so we got the full Værøy experience. The trail continues down there, further to another viewpoint, but we are turning around. Better safe than sorry. I'm at least happy we got this view. Wow. We still have to walk down again. That can be as hard as walking up, especially when it's this steep. Forsiktig. I look like a grandma, but really, I needed this time. I didn't want to fall down. We made it down again. But we really wanted to do some more hiking. There is this viewpoint here that is just stunning. Look at this. This is the view we wanted to see. We waited for some hours. It looks like the weather is clearing up. Now we are parked at Håen parkering, which is what it's called in Google Maps. And from here we can walk to Håen, and there is supposed to be a spectacular view. It is clouded, it is a little misty sometimes, so we'll see what the view will look like. Of course, I'm hoping to see a lot of the islands. We'll just have to see. We can try at least. And we start here.
Gøy!
Gøy!
Å, nå var det deilig å gå.
Yeah.
Litt finere vær.
This is a much nicer trail to walk on than the last one. Hike starts really easy here, and then it got a little steeper. Here the trail is really easy. From here we can just follow this road. This hike is much easier than the last one, but it's further in distance. Maybe you're thinking, why not drive up? But cars aren't allowed here. The mist came back. Instead of following the road, there is a trail too. We are almost at the top now. I wonder if we can see anything at all. Let's see. And this is the view. Believe it or not, this is the same place as this. Around there is a spectacular view too. Just there you can see other parts of the island. There you can see this island center. And from there you can see other parts of Lofoten. At least according to the information sign. We can't see anything. It's pretty and white up here. Next time we visit a remote settlement in Lofoten and see Northern Europe's most deep beach. And we cook Indian food on maybe the best location to see the midnight sun.